Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please listen carefully because I have a question later. So here's the problem. Lisa is a factory worker in Cavite with a monthly salary of 80,500 pesos. She completed a 21 working days this month and worked 6 nights shift, 8 hours each. Paid at 110%. Her company also gives a 1,200 pesos monthly non-taxable price allowance. Then given, kung tatagalogin ko na lang para sa mga Pilipino. Given, yung given is 18,500 pesos monthly siya monthly. And yung 21 days, syempre, 6 night shift times 1.1 and 1,200 which is allowances. Answer the following. So ito yung number 1. Compute her daily and hourly rate. Yung ginamit kong formula. Monthly divided by daily. And daily divided by hour. So 18,500 pesos divided by days, which is 20 days working 21. So lumabas ay 880.95. And kung nakuha mo na itong daily, i-divide mo naman sa hour para makuha mo ang kanyang per hour. 880.95 divided by 8 hours is the maximum. So makuha mo ay 110.12 pesos. Ayun ang kanyang per hour. Gets mo ba? Ikaw. Compute her SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig contributions. So wala kayo nakikita ang given ng mga itong contributions niya. Kaya kumuha ko ng according sa mga ano nila, page. Yung 2025 bracket. So nakuha ko sa 2025 bracket ng SSS ay 5% because she has low income. Mababa kanyang income. So, yung PhilHealth din is 5%. Kumuha lang nila sa bracket nila kasi walang nilang i-send. Yung Pag-ibig, 2% as always kasi ginagawa nilang minimum kasi ito-doble ang ng kanilang employer, which is yung company nila. So, 2% lang. So, yung SSS niya ay 5%. Ginawa natin fraction. Tapos ita-times natin siya sa monthly niya. 18,500 pesos times 0.05 equals 925 pesos. Yes, di ba? Yes. PhilHealth 5%, ganun pa rin, 18,500 pesos times 0.05, 925 pa rin, wala nang bago. Pag-ibig, 2%, 18,500 pesos times 0.02, 370 pesos. So, ang total niya ay 2,220. So, ayun yung call deduction kasi non-taxable siya. Dito pa yung masagot. Computer night shift differential pay. Formula, ang ginamit yung formula ay hourly rate times night shift times 1.1. So, 110.12 times 6, which is yung night shift niya. Nakaano na rin siya. Times 1.1 megawatt. Okay. Equals to 726.79. Kaya ko times na. Ito. So next ay compute her gross pay and taxable income. Formula na ginamit ko ay monthly plus night shift plus allowances. 18,500 which is yung monthly niya plus 726.79 which is yung night shift and plus 1,200 pesos which is yung allowances. So mag-equal ko ng 20,420.79. Ito yung taxable niya. Formula, gross pay times taxable. Yung gross pay, ito na yun kasi naging total na. Yung mga dumagdag sa kanyang salary per month. So naging gross pay. 20,426.79 minus 1,000 because minimum Philippines. Kasi hindi pa siya umabot ng mga higher. Low income pa lang. Kaya 5% lang pinapabawas ng Philippines. So ito ang kanyang taxable. According to Philippines, ewan ko sa salary, ang ginagawang taxable ay 20,900 in above ng 20,900. So, yung income niya lang ay 20,400. Sumama pa ng 19. So, hindi ko siya gagawin withholding. So, no withholding siya. Zero income. So, next na tayo. Compute your total deduction and net pay. So, ito yung total deduction niya. Yung contribution. Ang ginamit kong formula ay gross pay minus contribution na taxable na. Kaya hindi ko sinama to. So, ito pa rin yung ginamit kong gross pay. 20,426.79 minus 2,220 equals 18,206.79. Net pay niya to, no withholding. Thank you. Yun lang.